Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Royal Match modded version with unlimited coins and stars, as you can see. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this site. It's called zoomods.com, and it's got all these like modded apps and stuff. It's super cool. So let me just show you guys the site. So once we're here, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in Royal Match, and as you can see, it comes up. So press on it and download the mod. Now before it downloads, you are going to have to do a verification. So what you got to do is download two apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here. As you can see, all right, so here we go. It's 100% downloaded right now. So it's going to bring us to the next step, which is the thing that says, please install some apps to automatically install the mod. So there's going to be around 4 apps on this page, guys. And what we got to do is download some of them. So there's going to be like different types of apps. We got TikTok. You got to run it for 30 seconds. Then we got WGT Golf, which is a game. It wants me to reach level 10. So I just press tap to install. It brings me to the app store. And I just got to download the app. So I usually like the golf one. I did the Family Island one, which is also, you have to reach level 10, so it's kind of like the golf one. So anyway, guys, make sure you do 2 of these, and then at the bottom it says checking completion, so it is actively looking to make sure you did it. So after you do it, guys, you should get the Royal Match hack. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. That's how to become rich in Royal Match. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because it's super simple, guys, and you should be on the path to earning in no time. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just trying to help you out. This is pretty wild stuff, and it's totally updated, so peace out.